Okay, let's see. Where will we start? Hey everybody, I'm Mike. No, that doesn't sound right. Welcome to my unboxing. Nope, don't like that either. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I just got my Insta360 Sphere for my Mavic Air 2S. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick unboxing. There's probably tons already online. I'll go through, make sure everything's there. I got some extra batteries. I believe they go to the X1. Should fit it. If they don't, we'll find out together. I also got a surprise. My biggest concern when I bought this was, if you've already seen other videos of it sitting on the mat on the camera lens. And being the owner of many cameras, I really try to take care of my lenses. I really hate to damage this. It was pretty expensive, as you probably already know. So, if you like this video, I plan on making more. We'll get more into the creation side. It's something that I want to explore, and I want to be able to share that with you guys. So, without any further ado, here it is, the new Insta360 Sphere. Alright, let's find. Alright, so while I'm doing this, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I am pretty much a hobby photographer for many years, and then I got into stock video about 3 years ago. And I shot mainly handheld and tripod, and I found that the stock video that was selling was drone video. So I made it my mission to get the best drone I could for the money I had, which at the time turned into the Mavic Air 2. Shot 4K at 30, or maybe it shot 4K at 60. I don't know. And then went from there. I've upgraded to the Air 2S, and I couldn't be more pleased with what it's doing. When I found out about the Insta360, I was like blown away by the 360 videos that it actually can produce. So, yeah, this is me leveling up. Alright, so we got the box. First thing to come out is, drum roll, Insta360. I thought the box was pooched up. Maybe they gave me something extra, but it doesn't look that way. So I've got my 360 here. And then we've got a plastic bag. Anything else? Nothing else in the box. So in the bag, we'll open it up here. Another bag. This one, a nice Insta360 bag. And I'm pretty sure this is the landing pad that's supposed to keep you from scratching your lens. Typically I hand catch a lot. You got yellow on one side, black on the other, with the H for helicopter. We'll set that to the side, and we'll get into it. Yeah, so mostly I hand catch. I definitely would probably learn how to hand catch with this, just because, again, I don't want anything landing on the lens. That's kind of the bread and butter, isn't it? So slide it open. Let me set my notes here. Slide it open. Set that to the side. And it's like Russian dolls here. Boxes after boxes after box. So safety instruction guidelines. In here we have looks like a cleaning cloth, USB-C cable. These are the protective lenses. I will definitely try those out to see how difficult it is to edit after the fact. Looks like they have, I won't take it off at the moment, I'll wait till later on, but there's a blue pull tab here and a lens cover, so you can keep your fingers off of it, and then obviously clean it before you fly with it. Yep. So that's there. We'll put those away after a while. And then one battery, Insta360. And here we go. The 360. Looks like it's, wow. Very cool. Got lens protectors. Again, more plastic covering the lenses. We'll take those off before we actually go and use it. And then you have the corresponding lens on the other side. Same thing. Yeah, so no muss, no fuss. I did see where somebody maybe was going to use the guts here to use it to take off, but that's not going to help you landing. So I might have the solution. I don't know why nobody suggested it before, but let's go ahead and install this real quick and take a look at it and see what it looks like. So I've got my Air 2S. Looks like it's got a latch buckle here on top. Okay, it's got a, so you want to pull that back and flip up. Okay, let's try that again. Apparently mine is tight. Oh, it goes the other way. Okay, my bad. All right, so here and here. Okay, we'll do that one more time. Oh, looks like it actually lines up. Okay, so here, lift up and undo. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so these two holes on the bottom correspond to these two sensors. And then the two legs on the back of the Air 2S line up with these two notches. Okay. Now I've never done this before, so this is my first time. So you're seeing how it's done just as soon as I am. And then boom. Yeah. And then when you're ready to change your battery and go for your next flight, you take this off, set it to the side, pull your battery out, new battery, make sure you're fully charged, ready to go. Also, it covers the SD card slot, so I'm sure as time goes, this will get less and less complicated to install. Yeah, just like that. Right. So, the other thing I got were the 1X batteries. Saw on another channel, I'll mention, is Potato Jet. If you recognize that, I guess I can give him a shout out, give him a link. But he's the one I saw the video from first, and instantly knew I had to have it, and instantly I bought it that day. And I'm glad I did, because I looked the next day, you know, maybe thinking that I shouldn't have gotten it, and they were sold out. So you, probably like me, had to have one. Alright, so let's see. Alright. Wow. Okay, well, I can edit all this out. We got a place here to charge the battery. And must be the power button. There's the battery slot. Let's see the orientation. I got it right here. Okay, so prongs in here, just like that. Fits in kind of snug. No, so there we go. So make sure the battery's orientated correctly. Make sure. So Insta360 is up. Just like that. Drop your battery in and close the door. And this, oh, look at that. It's already charged. And we got 4 LED indicators. And then, so that tells you your battery power. This here is your power button. Yeah. Oh, there we go. So the light's on. When you're ready to record, you push the red button. I do not have a SD card in here, so I'm gonna just assume that it's not gonna record for me. Push the other button and power off. Maybe? Yep. So push the hold, power on. Light comes on. Push the hold to turn it off. Just like that. Pretty nifty. Not too much to it. I haven't downloaded the app yet to get into being able to see it while you're shooting video. Yeah. So let's get into the surprise. So here's what I think my solution is. $5 on Amazon. I'll put a link in below. We're gonna see if these work. These are leg extensions. Okay, so pretty simple. They go right on the legs. Just takes a little bit of friction. There's some sort of plastic on the inside that grips. They're very tight. I guess here, look. So it's not gonna fall off. I suppose vibration, and then the back clip on, slide them on too. Well, this is me in the future talking about leg extensions for the Air 2S in combination with the 360 Sphere. Doesn't work. what happens is, with this mounted here on the drone, you got their lenses up and down like this, and here's the drone, so it basically disappears from the video. The problem is the leg extensions are here. They sit below the lens. You literally can see them. We'll cut to the video. So, yeah, my recommendation for these with this, don't do it. If you just want leg extensions, it actually works quite well. I did fly with them. They stay on really well. I'll still leave the link in the description, but it's not going to work with this. The landing pad right now is the best solution. I did use a sweatshirt. So I had a nice soft cushion. I haven't had any scratches on the lenses or anything. Still look pristine. I've flown it a few times since I first did the unboxing. So back to the video. Insta360 Sphere, and even further, if you want to know more about how I do stock video, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. This is a first video, so it's pretty rough. I apologize for that, but they'll get better in the future. Looks like I can slide that. Yeah. Oh, I think that's going to work great. So, I don't know if anybody else thought of it. I'm sure they have. I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but it just seemed logical to put small extensions on the legs to get it up off the ground. This way that let's say you're flying and your drone is too far away, you didn't estimate your battery correctly, and you got to land it, and you don't have the pad and you can't get to it. If you have the extensions on there, you pretty much can land it in the grass, on asphalt. It's not going to hit the lens. So it's minimal protection. Like I said, $5. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. Wow, I chewed up a prop. Look at that. Wow. Those are crazy. Wonder what I hit. Anyway, so this is one of many tutorials. Appreciate you sticking around to the end. If you do like what you've seen, I would really appreciate it if you took the time to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'm also going to create a new channel that is going to be 360 only. So when you go there, you'll be able to see the entire video of the 360 flights, where this channel right now is basically, I would say 95% landscape. It's stuff that I shoot for stock video, and I just create travel videos out of the stock that I create. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, I almost forgot. So these are the 1X batteries. I don't know why I didn't do that. Okay, so maybe through the magic of editing, I won't look so silly. So pull that off. Remember how to pull our battery out. Set that down. All right. This is either going to be a major screw up or complete and utter brilliance. All right, so an update on the battery also. So this is the original that came with my Insta360. Fits nicely into the case. Let's see. Yeah, and it comes right back out. Let's make sure. Yeah. So in easily and out easily. It's still snug, but I can use 2 fingers to take it out. I got these replacement batteries. And when you put them in, they're crazy tight. I'm not even going to push this all the way in because it'll get stuck. I had to use a pair of pliers to get the first one out. But I found a solution. So what's happening is whoever made these batteries put a cover on them with all of their information and their logo and all that stuff, and it's too thick. So what I ended up doing, doesn't do anything to the battery, is I took off the cover. And when you do that, it falls right in. It actually is less snug than the original, but even with the door open, doesn't fall out. Snaps in just tight. And then 2 fingers comes out. I also learned that the original battery that I got fits perfectly in the charger for the aftermarket batteries. Charges them. Both work great. I actually flew this morning with this battery and did some nice filming. So just wanted to update you on that. And again, the link will be in the description. So back to the video. Let's make sure I got it in there. I don't want to avoid my warranty. Alright, here we go. Full power. Yeah, I got this on Amazon too. It's a 3 battery power bank. I think it was about, after taxes, maybe $25. It takes the old USB-A plug to charge them up. Let's see. Turn the power on. Make sure that works. Yep. Power button comes on. That's exciting. Yeah, so not only you can pick up extra batteries, look at that. I got a Fly More kit, and then I got 2 extra batteries, so I fly with 5 batteries. I usually find that I have enough to do. These batteries, technically, according to the manufacturer, are supposed to last about 48 minutes total record time. So that would be probably 2 batteries of the Air 2S. These batteries are snug though, I'll tell you that. So, words of the wise. Anyway. Wow, I'll have to work that one out. Yeah, so 3 extra batteries plus the one they gave me, so that's 4. Literally, it's like 3.5 hours of record time. So I could probably deplete every one of my batteries and I'd still have enough to run the Insta360 Sphere. So again, please click the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and that's all it's going to be for today. You guys have a good one.